Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled Prompt Engineering. Talking to AI like a pro to get the best answers. Ever wished you could talk to a super smart computer and get exactly what you need? That's what prompt engineering is all about. Think of it like learning the secret language to unlock AI's full potential. Just as a good search query helps you find the right website, a good prompt helps AI give you the perfect answer. We're going from guessing to guiding, ensuring AI understands your intentions, not just your words. Don't worry, we're not diving into complex math. Imagine AI like a brilliant, eager to please assistant. It has read millions of books, articles, and websites. When you talk to it, it tries to predict the most likely, useful next set of words based on all that knowledge and your input. From a developer's perspective, you're sending a block of text, your prompt, to an AI service, and it sends back another block of text, its response. It's a fancy text in, text out machine at its core. A prompt is simply the input you give to an AI model. It's your instruction, question, or statement. It's like the instruction manual you give to your super smart assistant. For us developers, this prompt is often just a string of text that we send through an API, application programming interface. It could be something as simple as, tell me a joke, or as complex as write a Python function to calculate Fibonacci numbers, explain it, and provide test cases. This is where the magic begins. The better your instructions, the better the AI's output. Think of it like ordering food at a restaurant. Get me food is bad. I'd like a medium rare steak, with mashed potatoes and asparagus. And no salt please, is great. For AI, this means 1. Clarity. Use simple, unambiguous language. 2. Specificity. Asterisk don't just say, summarize, say, summarize this article for a 5th grader in 3 bullet points. 3. Context. Asterisk give the AI background information. You are an expert financial advisor. Analyze this stock data. As a developer, this directly translates to crafting the string you send to the AI API. Every word counts. To get even better results, here are some pro tips for your prompts. Role-playing. Act as a senior software engineer. This guides the AI's tone and knowledge. Output format. Respond in JSON format. List items as bullet points. This is crucial for developers. Integrating AI into applications. Constraints, rules. Do not use jargon. Keep the response under 100 words. Few-shot prompting. Examples. Asterisk show the AI what you want by giving it an example. Here's an example of how I want you to rephrase sentences. Old sentence. X. To new sentence. Y. Single quote. Now rephrase. Z. This gives the AI a pattern to follow. Don't expect perfection on your first try. Prompt engineering is often an iterative process. Send your prompt, review the AI's response, and if it's not quite right, refine your prompt based on the output. It's like having a conversation with your assistant. That's good, but can you make it sound a bit more formal? Or, actually, I need that in a table, not a paragraph. As developers, this means experimenting with different prompt strings in your testing environment until you get the desired output for your application. Even the smartest AI has limits. It can sometimes hallucinate, make up facts, reflect biases present in its training data, or simply misunderstand complex requests. Good prompt engineering helps mitigate these issues by guiding the AI more precisely. Always critically review AI outputs. As developers, integrating AI means we have a responsibility to design systems that use AI outputs ethically and safely, checking for accuracy and fairness before deploying. For developers, prompt engineering isn't just about chatting with AI. It's about building smarter applications. You'll be dynamically constructing these prompt strings within your code, sending them to AI APIs, like OpenAI's or Google's, and then processing the structured output. Mastering prompting means you can build features like automated content generation, intelligent chatbots, code assistants, and much more, making your applications truly powerful and responsive to user needs. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.